I'm really excited. I think this is something that will be a lot of fun and motivational to just get things moving.
Hi, I'm Janae and I teach productivity that sticks. If you're interested in planning your perfect life, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. One of the challenges we are doing for 2020 is found in the book Less Stuff, More Life by Amy Marion. And the other challenge is by Taylor Flannery called the 52-Week Organized Home Challenge. The links are below in the description.
The first challenge is stop wishing things were different. And she goes to describe how a lot of the times we'll get stuck thinking, I hate my life, I wish this was this way, I wish I was thinner, I wish my house was clean, whatever. What she teaches is this is perfect for the first week, is to set goals. Write down everything that you wish were different in your life, and then go about setting yourself some steps and challenges to make those changes in your life. For the Declutter challenge, the challenges are your kitchen, counter, and sink this week. If you go to her daily calendar, she's got write your New Year's goals. This is exciting. I do have a goal setting masterclass. If you go to bestlaidplans.vip, you'll be able to watch the little intro video and you'll be able to sign up for that class. I believe I have a replay up of that class available once you put in your email address. So for this challenge, I will be going through my New Year's goals, and I'll be posting a little vlog about that separately. So for the first week of the year, those of us in the challenge will be clearing our kitchen counters and sinks. And this kind of coincides with Fly Lady a little bit. She always starts with your kitchen sink, making sure it's clear, because things kind of cascade out from your kitchen. And it's also something that usually needs to be kept up every day. So this is a really great place to start. Having it broken down for the week, we have kitchen counters, declutter and organize the kitchen sink area, clear off the kitchen counters and any islands if you have them.
One of the main challenges this week was to create a daily kitchen routine, and our family's got this pretty well down. During the day, Daddy helps the kids empty the dishwasher and then load the dishwasher and wash any sink dishes that are there. And then in the evening, I'm the one that clears off the counters of anything that's left, disinfect the counters if needed, clean out the sink, and then start the dishwasher. It really helps to have the family pitch in when they can.
Declutter small kitchen appliances. I've done this recently. We have 2 kitchens in our house. My mother has an apartment downstairs, so kind of have a lot of things split between the two. I've got a couple of boxes that I need to go through. We're going to sort through those and probably get rid of a lot of things in those boxes. Clear off the kitchen table. We're really good about clearing off the kitchen table every day. We have dinner on it as a family every single day, and then we do our family studies, and a lot of homeschool stuff is all around that table, and then the kids will use that table for school in the morning. So this one I'm actually pretty good on already. The next one is declutter pot holders and kitchen towels. I've actually done that recently too. I need some new pot holders, but for now we're going to be happy and stop wishing things were different. And we're going to be happy with the pot holders we have. Kitchen towels, I seem to never have enough, and I wish I had new ones. They're all kind of old and ratty, but then again, we're going to be content with what we have right now, and then maybe a few months down the road, we'll be able to get some new ones. And then the final challenge of the week was create a folder for your household. A household notebook. Fly Lady calls it a control journal. So my goal will be to find mine. I have all of my things saved electronically, but it would be nice to find that control journal, that notebook that I have, because there's some things like manuals and stuff that you want in that notebook. Plus it's nice to have a hard copy, because if the power goes out, or if you have a babysitter, or if you have someone that just needs to look up something really fast, it's nice to have that. So that's going to be one of my goals. Now the bonus missions are to create a tax organizer for the year and to put away Christmas decorations. Here are a couple of folders that I'm going to put into my filing cabinet for any hard copies for this year and next.
it'll be really easy for the rest of it because I just create a folder in my Google Drive. There you go.
Putting away Christmas decorations is not going to be that big of a deal for me this year. The Christmas decorations are all over at Nana's house. So what we have this year is a little Names of Christ thing on the fridge, and that will be easy enough to clean up. And my Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, that's going to be really, really hard. That's going to be a really hard one.
I have to show off. Here's my Christmas tree. Looks like it needs a little trim. My cat, Independence, one of my cats, Independence in particular, likes toys, especially the shiny ones. So my single Christmas decoration is at the mercy of Independence, and she's already taken off with it once. That's why I had to give it a little haircut.
So hopefully I can bring you along with me this year. We'll get our houses decluttered, we'll get our lives simplified, and that just paves the way for more best laid plans, right? It's not a bed.
Apparently it is a bit.
So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next Best Laid Plans. Today we are going to talk about, and I hope you come along. Let's start over. Where are my glasses?